Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about another free macro from this community page by a guy from Florida that I've been talking to, and there's his link, and I'm going to share the link at the bottom of my video. And this macro is Save View Areas. This is pretty cool. If I'm working on this map and I want to highlight or magnify and change some things around there and zoom in, I can zoom in on a particular town, Jonestown, and I can go save, and then I can right click and I can tap in the name Jonestown, and hit apply. And then I'm going to go to the whole map, the whole page, and it zoomed out to the whole page. Let's add one more. Let's add in Lago Vista. And this is if you were completely working on a map over and over and needed some things. So we're going to save it, right click, set custom name as, I'm just going to call it Lago. Now we're going to go back to the whole page. Let's say I want to zoom in to Lake Travis. Let's say I want to zoom into the house that's on the map. I want to zoom into their logo. I want to zoom into Jonestown. I want to zoom into Lago Vista. And if you wanted to critique that, that is pretty cool. It's not for everybody, but that's called Saved View Areas. And I will be using that. Here's his website for the community. I will post this at the bottom of below the video. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.